Hey there guys, welcome to K-Sed's single box break number 241 of 11-12 Upper Deck the Cup. So last team that ended in the break was the Edmonton Oilers on May 1st at 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. So we'll go to current eBay day and time. I'll do a refresh one more time. So current eBay day and time is Wednesday, May 1st at 8:56 p.m. Pacific, and it's Wednesday, May 1st at 11:56 p.m. Eastern time. So almost 2 hours since the auction ended. So 241. This is 10-6 of 6, and our serial number is NE189502815. 2R10 NE189502815. So last 10 of the case, and we haven't seen anything with the decoy or anything. And I don't know if that wall or sack from last night was considered a case hit or not. But we never had a decoy or any indications it was one. So hopefully that's not the case, and pull a monster for somebody in the break tonight. And sealed. So nope. And this will be the last break until I get back from the Toronto Expo on Monday. So it'll be either Monday or Tuesdays when I'll be listing breaks again. So 2815. And so good luck everybody. And finish this case with a monster. Sealed. And here we go, guys. Good luck, everybody. And I think we got a decoy in. Yeah, we do have a decoy in here. And we got a black card too, so a decoy and a black. So this is going to be interesting. So good luck, everybody. So we got base of Dion Phaneuf for the Toronto Maple Leafs, 7 of 25. We got auto rookie patch for the Calgary Flames of Lance Boma out of 249. We got limited logos of Mike Richards for the LA Kings, 40 of 50. I wonder if that 101 is going to be something. Oh wow, the 101 is the case hit, so it has to be a big rookie then. Mike Richards for the Kings. And we also have Cone Tuber draft boards for the Kings. Yeah, for the LA Kings. Oh fuck! Oh shit! I just saw that. So, Cone Tuber for the Kings. And we got the Cup Black 1 of 1 of Gabriel Landeskog for the Colorado Avalanche. So whoever has Colorado, you'd like tracking on it, just let me know. So very solid case for Colorado nonetheless. Gabriel Landeskog Cup Black 1 of 1 rookie. And so that concludes the break for tonight, guys. So whoever has Colorado, shoot me a message if you want tracking on it. But even if you message me tonight, I might not be able to see it until late, so because I'm getting ready to fly out to Toronto tomorrow afternoon. So nice to hit somebody, the Gabriel Landeskog. Other than that, take care, guys.